Hey guys, welcome back. So today's long-awaited project is we're going to try to find a spot for our garbage carts. We got these 3 lilac bushes that are not evenly spaced. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this one lilac bush to the center of the other 2. And then we're going to build a space for our garbage carts to go. Digging this up is proving to be difficult because it's coming up in parts. I'm doing my best to try to keep as much of this plant as I can, but there are some of it that's just too stubborn that we have to resort to power tools. Bring the boys outside and they each do their own thing. Graham plays in the dirt. Can you wave? While Griffin climbs a tree. Now, as we fill in the hole, we're going to level it out the best we can. We do want to pitch it away from the house as much as we can, just to make sure we don't have any structural or water issues later. So last year, we did remove all these patio blocks from underneath the porch, and we filled it all in with pea gravel. Now they've just been sitting over winter, so we're going to start utilizing these to build ourselves a little garbage cart patio. Alright guys, so that's it. Pretty simple little project, and it's not complete. We do want to encase it in some sort of a barrier just to hide it completely. Something a little bit more decorative, it looks a little bit nicer, but that'll be an upcoming video. So that's going to be it for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.